Everybody, welcome to a new YouTube channel.
What's the name of our YouTube channel?
Handy Rascals.
The Handy Rascals. What are we doing today?
Fixing our light bulb. Changing it.
We're changing our light bulb.
Let me go
Notice the other
show
day.
you.
You noticed the other day that this light bulb is out.
Papi,
So we're going to change it. And Caleb's going to show us what we're going to
can you give me the light bulbs?
Sure.
Then I can show you. And this is the new one.
Okay.
As you can see, it's inside a box. And I'm just holding the box.
Inside a package?
Yeah.
Cool.
And
Where did we get the new one from?
From Amazon.
Okay, cool.
And
Okay.
this is the old one that's broken.
Okay, so because we're working with electrical, we're going to turn off the circuit to this. I'll show you how to do that. Parents, that's the part for the parents, and then we'll show you how to change the light bulb. Right, Caleb?
Yeah, and I'm going to turn off the light.
Can you see me?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm ready, Papi.
Okay, 1 second. Can you see the panel?
Where is the panel?
Okay, so now we are at the electrical panel, and we have to turn the lights off. So, there's the breaker for the bathroom. That wasn't it.
It's
There we go.
off.
All right, so it's off.
Yes.
That means we can go back upstairs and change a light bulb. Okay, guys, we're back up here.
Yeah, you want me to open?
Not yet. We're back up here. We've turned the breaker off. I'm going to remove this cover here. Move back just a little bit, Kaleb, so they can see. No, back.
Back.
Okay, right there. Very good. I'm going to remove this cover.
And we're going to...
And Caleb's going to remove... We put a little tape here just so we remember which bulb was out, because now everything's off. Let's unscrew that. Give it to me.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
And this is the package that we don't know when we're going to open it. I'm going to open it.
Let's hope. I'll help you open it. You can take it out. You should have done this before, so we didn't have to do this now, but that's okay, right?
Yeah. Because you just bumped your head. Because you're too big. I thought you would bump your head into the roof.
Oh, man. The ceiling?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're opening. We really only just need one.
Yeah.
Okay.
But that's okay because...
Okay.
And this is the brand new one.
Yep. So Caleb is going to screw it. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So you're going the right way. Keep going. Okay. That's good. That's good. You don't want to over-tighten. Let's take our tape off that we left here. Now we know. Okay. And then I get to put the cover back. Okay. And next thing is we turn the breaker back on. Okay, so we're back at the panel. And parents can turn this switch back on. And let's go upstairs and turn the switch on. Caleb, so now I'm going to turn this light switch on.
Sure.
You tell me how we did, okay?
Okay.
Light switch on.
We did very good.
Okay.
So...
Now we can check this off.
I didn't do a good.
Awesome work. Thanks, Rascals.
Papi, let's go see what else we need to fix.
Oh yeah, for the next video. See you on the next video, everybody.